As on tonight's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your Ford Edge. So you come over to the passenger side. You can go to either side. I just prefer to go to the passenger side. And then I use Access Tools Super Air Jack. You can get this in the products link down in the description. Or you can go to Home Depot and get a similar bag out of the door and window aisle. Lowe's has them, Harbor Freight. If you can't get one of these, you can use like a wood wedge or a plastic wedge, like a door stopper or something. But if you can get one of these bags, it's a lot better. Take a little plastic wedge and wedge it in there, and that'll give us a little more room to get this bag in there. Slide it through the door frame like so. Give yourself like a 4 or 5 inch gap at the top. Close the little valve right there. And then just pump the bag up, and that's going to pry the door off of the frame of the car, giving us a big old gap right here. That's all we need, is like a 1/2 inch gap right there. And then you'll need a metal rod. This is like maybe 5 foot long, 1/4 inch metal rod made by Access Tools, also in the tagged products in the description. Has a little rubber tip right here, plastic cover, and a handle at the end. Great for unlocking any car. If you don't have one of these, you can make a metal rod by going to Home Depot, Lowe's, Harbor Freight, something like that, buying a metal rod, bending it up, and taping up the end of it and sliding it through. Sometimes you can get like 4 or 5 coat hangers and go through. Just come over here to your inside door handle. You can see right there, and you're just going to hook that and pull the handle. Alright, and that will unlock the vehicle. And pretty simple and easy. When you shut the door, it still closes nice and tight and flush like it should. No air or water get in there. It doesn't scratch up the paint, doesn't mess up the weather stripping, doesn't pull the plastic off of the door or anything like that. And that's the easiest way to unlock a Ford Edge if you lock the keys inside. There you go. That's how to unlock your Ford Edge. You can get these products in the description, like I said, or you can make them from scratch from stuff that you may have laying around. If you don't have these tools, just find a big old rock on the ground and throw it through your window and go home. See you on the next video. Bye.